Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira workflows for custom status transitions step by step clearly. Start Jira and log into your account. Navigate to the project where you want to activate custom workflows. Click on Project Settings located in the left sidebar. Select Workflows from the available options in the project settings. Locate the workflow you want to modify and click on Edit. In the workflow editor, find the status you want to add a transition from. Click on that status to reveal the transition options. Select Add Transition to create a new custom transition. In the dialog box, choose the destination status for the new transition. Give the transition a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Optionally, provide a description to help other users understand the transition. Set any conditions that need to be met for this transition to occur. Define any validators to ensure the transition meets your criteria. Choose any post functions that should execute after the transition is completed. Once everything is set, click Save to create the transition. After saving, publish the changes to make the workflow active. Test the new transition by moving an issue through the workflow. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing results. Review the overall workflow to ensure all transitions function correctly. Your custom status transitions are now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.